Hey everybody, today I'm checking out a trail called Windy Ridge. It's located 3 miles northwest of Alma, Colorado in the Pike and San Isabel National Forest. It's considered a moderate trail, so appreciate you coming along and watching, and feel free to leave any comments below. Trail guides I looked at said that this was going to be an easy trail. My personal opinion, I wouldn't rate this. I would say that the majority of it is an easy trail. After certain points, it's not really an easy trail. It's definitely a moderate trail. If it was my vehicle and I just banged my head against the window, if that gives you an idea on the articulation that the vehicle's going through, I'd be a little upset, or a little disappointed that I couldn't get as far as I thought I could. So I would definitely rate the Windy Ridge Trail as being moderate, not easy. So yeah, but absolutely beautiful up here. There are several old mines and mills that are really cool to get out and look at. In these mountains, twisted by the winds and clinging tenaciously to the ridgeline, are the oldest living trees on Earth. The bristlecone pines on Windy Ridge are nearly 1,000 years old. The oldest bristlecones are supposedly 4,600 years old. These gnarled pines endure strong winds, freezing temperatures, drought, and poor soil conditions, and still can be found shoring up mine shafts in the area. Well, we're at the top of Windy Ridge. There's no trespassing signs that I run into, so we're going to respect those and turn around and go see what else we can find. But before we do that, I was going to show you a view of what it looks like to be up here. So those are no trespassing signs. We're going to not go past this point, but take a look at this view, guys. As far as you can see. Alright, well here's the fun part. There's not really a place to turn around, so now I get to go back down this mountain backwards. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. This trail has a great hiking trail just above Treeline. There's a fair amount of private land along this route, so camping spots are kind of rare. There is a fee area at the base of Mount Bros, which is worth checking out.
Thank you so much for watching. Hit that thumbs up button, comment down below, get subscribed to the channel, and until next time, safe travels.